AXN Action Award 2007 for the Best Action Actor in a Lead Role goes to none other than Shah Rukh Khan. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Great to have you. And here is your award.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much.
Please have it.
Thanks a lot.
Well, it is a real pleasure having you here with us today. I guess all the fans must be going absolutely ballistic. It's been a real transition from the die-hard romantic of DDLJ to now this action hero of Dawn. So how has it been?
I don't know. You see, all young kids, everyone likes to do action. I was not any different when I started. You know, one of the reasons I wanted to be a movie actor or act in films or television was that I could, do action. I remember when I was young, I used to fight with pillows and jump from my bed and drive imaginary cars and stuff. And even when I started out, to be really honest, I didn't want to be a romantic hero. I thought I was too old for it. I was 26 when I started acting in films. And I thought, I don't want to be going to college because I was a little embarrassed about it. You know, at 26 going back to college and falling in love with a girl whose parents don't like you and you're poor and stuff. So I did the kind of films which normally newcomers don't do. I did films like Bazigar, Dar, and somewhere down the line I secretly believe I'm very good at action. I don't look it. I don't have muscles. You don't secretly
believe, now everybody believes it.
No, I really believe I could do good action, but now I'm too old. I'll be turning 42 now, and now the knees and the elbows and everything pain. So when I got a chance to do something like Dawn, or whenever I get any chance to do even a bit of action, my dream to be in films is to be a national hero on AXN.
Is it?
My dream to be in films is to have blood, high speed and run. That's what to me cinema is just that. Unfortunately, I have not done much of it. I get slight chance, I do it. I don't know, somewhere down the line I started going to college wearing tight t-shirts and romancing girls and falling in love with them and being a good guy, and so I was very lucky that way as far as work is concerned. But given a chance,
I see you as Superman actually. I think the kids will go crazy.
I look outstanding with underwears on top of my tights. I'm really fantastic with that. But I want to do a superhero, and I really want to be. Now my kids, I have a son who's 9 years old and a daughter who's 6.5, and I'm really keen that I should do action stuff like WWE and superheroes like Krish, and just fly and wear tights and fight people, beat up people. Dream is somebody knocks on your door, I open the door, shoot them. That's what I'm doing in movies.
Looking forward to that. Why did you choose Dawn? Is that you've been a fan of the original Dawn, or just because it came to you?
I didn't really choose Dawn. I think Farhan was very keen to make the film with Hrithik, because Hrithik is, I think, the epitome of action. He's well built. He's a cool guy, long hair, handsome guy. And but I think Farhan along the way felt that Dawn should be a little older. It's a little maturer role, as he wrote it. It came across, and of course everybody, my era, people have grown up watching Dawn. We love Dawn. All the dialogues from Dawn, all the songs from Dawn, all the stuff. It was one of the coolest films of those times. Where the background music was outstanding. So when Farhan said, you have to do Dawn, I said, absolutely, right now.
And you just made it look cooler, I have to say.
No, cooler. I just quickly put on blood. I said, put on high speed, blow my hair, and I'll run.
And the movie was so stylized. It just was like the character was just everything merged well, the look, and it was all put together fantastically.
I think the whole team at Excel, which is Ritesh Sidwani, the producer, Farhan Akhtar, they had this amazing. Everyone knows him, Akhi Narula, who designed my clothes, and Adna, who does the hair. So they're finicky about all this, and you get a little.
Worked really well.
Yeah, you can't tell till you see the end result, and I'm. Not really the one for doing sittings for costumes. I've never done it. I don't do hairstyles. I'm a little odd with all this. So I was pampered a lot, and it was really nice to have beautiful girls doing your hair every 2 seconds. And
I'm sure they weren't complaining. I'm sure
it was the least action-like thing to do. You go and stand, and there's these pretty girls who are setting up your hair and doing everything for you. Yeah, but it all sort of fell into place because the way Mohanan shot it, it's a little gritty, the film. And the idea was not to make it, to be really honest, not deriding other films which do it, I do it myself. But the idea was not to really fly and jump and, do
something that's not believable.
Yeah, we just wanted it to be very gritty. We just wanted a punch to look like a punch. When a gun was pulled out, it seemed like this gun is a dangerous thing. Because it was 70s, the film was sort of a takeoff from the 70s. These things were more important. Heroes didn't just fly off.
Yeah.
We wanted it to be really, even the fights between Arjun and me,
very
it had to
real.
be, it had to be sort of as real as we could. So we had this gentleman from the Shaolin, Kanishk, who worked out all the moves for us. And they were a little difficult because they look very easy in film,
Yeah.
but they all this 1, 2, 3, 4, and it was a little difficult,
And
but
those
good
car
fun.
chases.
Yeah, the car chases
Through
were fun.
narrow lanes, my God, that looked very scary. I mean,
I do those a lot of them myself. I
Is
would
it?
like to. Those are the stunts I do myself because I'm good at driving.
And you love cars.
I like cars
And I
to
love
drive
your
them
cars.
too fast and turning around. And,
yeah.
so some of the shots I've done myself. I went through this huge ball of fire which nobody's ever done. We put this cameras onto the car, and I did it for my children. I do it because I like to tell them these are not wires and these are not stunts. This is not a special effect. Yeah, but unfortunately the camera got burned, so we don't have that shot.
Oh God.
Little silly because we drove through this huge ball of fire and everything, and I came out and I said, how's it? And the camera was burned. So we couldn't try it, but good stuff, yeah, good fun doing all that.
But I have to say, from the simpleton of being this Delhiite, this young guy in Delhi, to the superstar of today, this transition has been, I mean, it's been tremendous. So something must have changed in Shah Rukh Khan. I mean, what is it about the changes that you like and dislike?
I don't know. I think the nicest thing that I like is that people smile more when they see me. When I came from Delhi, I'd just done some television, Fauji, and people used to call me Abhimanyu Rai. And now I know I can make a lot of people smile on the road when I'm passing by. They all wave out and all. So that's nice that I can make so many people smile. As far as any other changes concerned, people tell me I've mellowed a bit. But I guess that happens when you have kids. They say you're becoming a nicer person. I used to lose my temper a lot. But besides that, I think there is no change. I have theatre friends in Delhi. I used to do a lot of English theatre before I joined films, and I have some friends who told me, listen, when you go there, you work with Ketan Mehta, then you work with Kundan Shah, and then obviously you won't make it big. You come back fast and we'll be waiting at the airport, so don't feel bad. They tell me they're still waiting at the airport. So I'm scared one of these days I'll have to get back to Delhi. And land at the
Never.
airport.
I
My
don't think
friends
we're
will
going to
be
let
there.
you go that easily.
I hope not. I like Mumbai. I like what I'm doing.
And you know what, the thing is that what I remember about 4 years ago, I remember we were in a car, and one of your fans were these little boys that came and sold papers, and he was knocking the window, and you put down the window, and you were really stressed that day, and you just had this conversation, and you so made his day, and that is just in my mind. The fact that I feel that you multitask beyond multitasking, that's something I think we all should learn.
I think as an actor and as a public figure, this is my advice to, again, a lot of people who are starting off in films, that the people who appreciate you, you need to be kind to them. Because, it takes a lot to pay money to come down and see us and then like us so much, write letters and give us so much importance. I think, when I'm working, I'm very selfish. I don't talk to anyone. I'm just doing my shot and going away. But there are times when I'm driving on the road and people scream out your name. I think it's just general courtesy that you should be kind to them. You should talk with them. And little kids always talk to their future investment. So you remain a big star for a long time.
Well, thank you so much. I think I have to say, you're just as humble and as chilled out as ever. And hopefully you'll be making more films like Dawn and being the action superhero. And not only that, Superman.
Yes, and tights and underwear on top. Yes, a superhero. I want to be a superhero. So next time when AXN calls me, I hope they call me as the biggest superhero in the world ever.
You are the biggest superhero.
Oh, thank you so much, Savita.
Can you please give us one line from Dawn? Everybody's waiting to hear it.
Okay, from Dawn for you, Samira. Normally earlier when I used to do romantic roles, girls used to ask me for nice, sweet lines. Like, बड़े-बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं, senorita. But now times have changed. So, Dawn का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है, समीरा. लेकिन Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं, नामुमकिन है. I am the king. Only for you.
Oh my God. Okay, I cannot speak at this moment. This has been a high point of my life. I just melted and died. But to get back to the show, thank you very much, first of all. You made my day.
Thank you very much.
Is there any message you'd like to give all your viewers out there, the viewers who voted for you, all your fans?
As always, a very, very big thank you, and God bless you all for being so kind to me. Everybody's been very, very kind to me for many, many years, and I hope I can repay it back by the kind of work I do, entertain you, spread a lot more smiles, and whatever you see in action films or AXN, please, kids, don't try it at home without proper supervision, because injuries that you get when you're young trouble you when you get older. Ask me, I know. So God bless you all, and always, always be happy.
Thank you so much for being with us on the show.
Thank you so
much
much
for coming.
Thank you very much.
And don't forget your award.
I will
It's an
take it.
Action
I will
Award.
not leave this for the world.
And we'll see you next year.
Thank you very much. God bless. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.